230 cab tractor. Air blows, but it's not cold. Put the Freon and it will work. PTO shuts off. Comes on and shuts off. Lift goes up and down. Sheet metal is beautiful. Inside, questionable. Tires match. Here's the only catch. It will hang up if you shift among gears. The ranges are fine. And it's not in the transmission, it is in the column. It's got nothing to do with the transmission. Dual plugs, top link, hours don't show. Lift working right there, goes back up instantly. PTO shuts on and off. After those tractors, you just got to fix that shifted from hanging up. Cranks the key. No smoke, no blow by, no noise, no nothing. Buy it that way or don't buy it.